Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this popcorn stitch flower. This is very pretty flower. So I am using a 3mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn for my project, but you can use any type of yarn or crochet hook. First of all, make a slip knot, and then we will make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and then chain 6. After making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and now we would work into this ring. So make chain 1 and then pull the yarn through ring. Now we have 2 loops, and pull the yarn through 2 loops together. This is our single crochet stitch. Make another single crochet. This is the third one, and this is single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7, single crochet 8, single crochet 9, and then single crochet last time, single crochet 10. So we would make total of 10 single crochets into the ring, and now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of the round. First round is completed. For the second one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, pull through, then pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. Second double crochet, make third double crochet into the same stitch, and then make a fourth double crochet into the same stitch. So now we have total of 5 double crochets right here, including the 3 chains. Now what we would do, leave this yarn, and now we would join these stitches. So go through first 3 chains and pull this yarn through this chain 3 stitch, and this is called our popcorn stitch. This is our first popcorn. Now make chain 1 and chain 2 and chain 3, and after 3 chains skip 1 single crochet stitch and into the next one make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then pull the yarn, and now pull the crochet, go through first double crochet stitch and then pull this yarn loop through first double crochet stitch, and in this way make another popcorn. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and now skip 1 single crochet stitch and into the next one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. Pull the yarn, go through first double crochet stitch and pull this loop to pull through first double crochet stitch. Make 3 chains, skip one and into the next one. Make 5 double crochets right here. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. Pull the yarn, and go through first double crochet stitch and make a popcorn. Again make 3 chains and make the last popcorn stitch by skipping one single crochet stitch and work into the next single crochet stitch. So make 5 double crochet stitches right into this single crochet stitch. And after that make a popcorn of it by pulling this loop through first double crochet stitch. Now these are 5 petals, 5 popcorns. So make 3 chains and right here into the third chain make a slip stitch, and after that we would make a slip stitch into the next stitch, which is the popcorn stitch, and after that we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. So make 3 chains for the second round. These 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet, and then make 4 double crochets into this chain 3 space again. Double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. Pull the yarn, now into the 3 chain, join them to make a popcorn. Make 2 chains right here and again make a popcorn stitch into this space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. Pull the yarn, go through first double crochet stitch and pull this loop through first double crochet stitch. This is the second popcorn into the same space. Now make 2 chains and start working into the next chain 3 space. We would make total 2 popcorn stitches right into this chain 3 space again. This is our first popcorn stitch. For the second one, again make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and then make 5 double crochets again into this chain 3 space. And make a popcorn. Again make 2 chains and start working into the next chain 3 space. So in this way we would work into the next each chain 3 space and make 2 popcorn stitches in these 3 chain 3 spaces, and complete our round. So I have completed my round of popcorn stitches. So make 2 chains and then make a slip stitch into the third chain, which is the starting chain of this round. Now pull the yarn, cut it with cutter, remove the extra yarn strand and weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle at the back side of your work. So I have even yarn ends. So this is how popcorn stitch flower is made. So if you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.